Actually, CCIV might be something good, guys, for a short right now. 28.90. So 28.90. I'm gonna try CCIV, guys. CCIV 28.90s. So CCIV short 28.90s. So 28.99 level is a strong key point. Is holding, so there's a re-entry there, guys. This one gave you quite a lot of chance to enter, guys. Initially I was talking short here, this bar, after this bar, so this candle was happening at that time. So I entered on this candle, but it definitely give you the chance, especially when I was watching that level 2 around 28.99, where it was holding with huge sellers. There's plenty of chance for you to enter even under 28.95s, 90s. Plenty of chance, because the stop was 29.07, so very tight risk for a potential target. So entry with our initial, now our stop obviously is going to come down to our break even, and in fact your stop will be here, guys, just over. You see where the stop, the price couldn't get over this level here, so we're just over that level is fine, just over the EMA, and we're coming up to our second partial, guys. We want that 28.50s to break, and we've got a good trade going here. I'm gonna take some out, guys. 41s here, guys. I feel like it will break, but I'll still take some out. I want to have very few shares left on this, around that area, guys. I took my second partial. Here it goes, breaking down. Okay, there we go. We break down our stop. I just don't want to tighten it too much, but I want to make sure I lock in at least the first area of partial. There we go. Okay, here we go. If it does give us a really good wash, 28.20s, I'll take it. Come on, 28.20s, come on. 24s, 21s, 20s, 20s, 22s. Okay, okay, that's good. 16. It's quite strong, guys. I mean, it's really strong to the downside. 28.70s, I'm watching. Alright, 17s. I'm taking some 17s, guys. Right, CCIV, I feel like it wants to go for another round. If this breaks, it might go for another one. So 28 is possible on this. CCIV, we want that 28 for our last. I'm gonna take everything off at 28, guys, because after that I might shut down everything, because I'm not seeing anything else. All right, here we go. There's our CCIV going for it. As I said, guys, 28, I'm going to take off everything. It doesn't have to go to 28, 2805s. Anything close to it, I'll take everything off. Yep. 2790s. Yes, 90s. Give me 90s. I'll take 91. Okay, guys. I've taken 91 on it. Everything's off. Taken 91 final portion of the trade. Uh, uh, 91, guys. Beautiful entry, guys. Beautiful. This is my trade of the day, guys. One partial, 2, 3, 4. Really good wash partial, and after this I'm done. I don't care what it does. That's actually my trade for the day. I don't need anything else. Thank you very much. See ya. Anyways, guys, that's I'm gonna end the stream. If you guys don't have any questions, I'll probably post the video of this this trade happening, so you can check it on your own time. Maybe learn a few things here and there. Please, when you see the video, post in the comments what you would like me to do. I know on the chat you guys are a bit shy, but if you do watch the video, guys, is posting or sharing one screen like this with one chart enough for you guys, or you want me to put more charts, or you want me to explain? Even if you want me to change the background of the chart, if it's easier for you guys.